Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Farina Hanif, and I'm very much thankful to MSPP for providing me this opportunity to present my research work regarding exonic polymorphisms in dopamine receptor type 2 gene and their association with schizophrenia in Pakistani population. It's a case control study. Schizophrenia, it's a brief introduction about schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a chronic neuropsychiatric disorder with a global prevalence of around 1%, while in Pakistan, the disease is much more prevalent with a rate of around 1.5%. It has been reported that patients of schizophrenia have 13 to 30 years lesser life expectancy and have 2 to 3 times higher mortality rate as compared to the rest of the population. Scientists have categorized schizophrenia into different symptoms like positive symptoms, negative symptoms, and cognitive symptoms. Positive symptom includes delusion and hallucinations. Negative symptoms include social withdrawal. Affective symptoms, cognitive symptoms include like memory and learning deficit. As far as the pathophysiology of schizophrenia is concerned, several neurotransmitters have found to be associated with the pathophysiology. However, among all the neurotransmitters, dopamine hypothesis is the most established one, and there are certain facts that highlights this the authenticity of the dopamine hypothesis in schizophrenia. There are certain facts like dopamine agonists have seen to induce psychosis in the healthy subject, while on the other hand, dopamine antagonists reduce psychosis in schizophrenia patients. This validates the dopamine hypothesis in the schizophrenia, and furthermore, increased dopamine is also observed in brain of the schizophrenia patients. While dopamine works by binding to its receptor, which may be present on the pre or postsynaptic receptors, and there are different type of dopamine receptor from DRD1 to DRD5. However, in the present study, we are most interested in DRD2, as DRD2 is the receptor which is the target of the most of the available antipsychotics. As far as the mutations or polymorphism in the gene is concerned, there are several polymorphisms which are found to be associated with the schizophrenia in the rest of the world. However, no study has been conducted in case of the Pakistani population. Another thing which is also observed that most of these polymorphisms in the DRD2 gene which are found to be associated with the schizophrenia are located in exon 7, and that is why we are interested in sequencing the exon 7 of the DRD2 gene, as the polymorphism in this region is also associated, is not only associated with the severity status but also affect the response to the antipsychotic. So it is very necessary that we should know that what type of genotype exists in our population so that the effect of the drug can be optimized. Research objective sets are to screen steps in exon 7 of the DRD2 genes and find their association with schizophrenia in Pakistani population. To analyze the association of identified SNPs with positive, negative, and cognitive symptoms score in schizophrenia patients. It's a case control study. After taking consent and questionnaire, we recruited 100 cases and 100 controls as per the DSM-5 criteria. After collection of the blood, DNA was extracted, which is followed by polymerase chain reaction and the band identification, and then followed by the sequencing using Sanger sequencing, analysis of sequencing, and then statistical analysis. Statistical analysis of the demographic details of the study population revealed that the schizophrenia is more prevalent in male as compared to the female. Further, we also noticed that the schizophrenia patients have a much lower education status than as compared to the control, which may be because of their cognitive decline because of the disease. And what other things that we observe also that the divorce ratio is much higher in a schizophrenia patient as compared to the control, which may be because of their incompatibility or their inability to interact socially or to perform their daily activities. And also the family history was much higher in in schizophrenia patient. This also signifies the genetic contribution of the schizophrenia in our population as well. When we screen the electropherograms of exon 7, we observe 5 different polymorphisms in our population. Out of these 5 polymorphisms, these polymorphism has previously been reported in other populations as well. What we, in case of all these 3 polymorphisms, we observe all the 3 genotypes from heterozygous, from homozygous wild type, which is CC, to heterozygous, which is CG, and to homozygous mutated one. All these three SNP, we observe all the three genotypes. Besides these three known mutations, we also observe those polymorphisms, those polymorphisms which have never been reported before in terms of schizophrenia. Out of these novel mutations that we have identified, one of them is non-synonymous one, changing proline to threonine, and the other one is isoleucine to remains isoleucine. And all in case of these two polymorphisms, we did not find the homozygous mutated form. When the data, genotypic data was analyzed statistically, it was found that the three polymorphism which has previously been reported in the rest of the population to be associated with the schizophrenia are not associated with the schizophrenia, but on the other hand, the new mutations, the new polymorphisms that we have found in our population is found to be associated with the schizophrenia. Interesting thing to note here that in this case, where the CC genotype is less prevalent in control, however, is most prevalent in cases, and the heterozygous CA is more prevalent in controls than compared to cases, highlighting that the ACA or the A allele might have some protective role in against schizophrenia, which also confirm here that AA genotype, that A allele is more prevalent in cases than in controls, and this signifies the protective effect of A allele against schizophrenia. So we found these two alleles are significantly associated with the schizophrenia, but not the rest of the mutations or polymorphism which I reported previously. When we compare the PANSS score, the PANSS positive, negative, and cognitive scores with the genotypes that we have observed. So we found that these genotypes not only associated with the schizophrenia, but also does not affect the severity of the disease or the PANSS score. In just one polymorphism, we have found that this polymorphism affect the severity status of the disease. As you can see that the patients having the CA genotype has less severe PANSS score and have less severe disease. So which again also indicate the protective effect of the A alleles in schizophrenia. So through these results, we concluded that single nucleotide polymorphisms RS1801-028 and RS6277 and RS6275 are not associated with schizophrenia in Pakistani population, whereas RS20125601 is associated with the severity of schizophrenia as evident by the PANSS score, and both these novel mutations are significantly associated with schizophrenia in our study population. However, large-scale multi-center studies will be required to validate the finding. These are some references. These are my students, and most of this research work was carried out by my MPhil student, Ms. Kuratulan. Thank you. Take care of your mental health.